Hello everyone. Today's video is about the knowledge of the great women that did great work in their field with their hard work, and this makes them first women ever in India to do that thing. First woman in India general knowledge questions. First Women's University. Maharshi Karve starts SNDT University in Pune with 5 students in 1960. Second, first woman to hold a Union Foreign Minister's post, Sushma Swaraj, 2014. Third, first woman to hold a Union Cabinet post, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, pre-independence. Fourth, first woman youngest minister of a state is Sushma Swaraj. She became the cabinet minister of Haryana when she was only 25 years old. 5. First woman governor of independent India, Sarojini Naidu in charge of United Province, that means Uttar Pradesh. 6. First woman president of UN General Assembly, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit 1953. 7. First woman prime minister of India, Indira Gandhi 1966. First woman IPS officer of India, Kiran Bedi 1972. 9. First woman to win Nobel Peace Prize is Mother Teresa 1979. 10. First Indian woman to climb Mount Everest is Bachendri Pal 1984. 11. First Indian woman to win Booker Prize is Arundhati Roy 1997. 12. First woman president Pratibha Patil 2007. 13. First woman Speaker of Lok Sabha is Meera Kumar 2009. 14. First Indian woman to become Miss World is Rita Faria. 15. First woman judge in Supreme Court is Mrs. Meera Sahib Fatima Bibi. 16. First woman ambassador is Miss C.B. Mathuma. 17. First woman to climb Mount Everest twice is Santosh Yadav. 19. First woman president of the Indian National Congress is Mrs. Annie Besant. 19. First woman chief minister of an Indian state is Mrs. Sucheta Kripalani. 20. First woman chairman of Union Public Service Commission is Rose Millian Buthu. 21. First woman Director General of Police DGP is Kanchan Chaudhary Bhattacharya. 22. First woman Lieutenant General is Puneet Arora. 23. First woman Air Vice Marshal is P. Bandyopadhyay. 24. First woman chairperson of Indian Airlines is Sushma Chawla. 27. First woman to cross English Channel is Aarti Shah. 28. First woman to receive Bharat Ratna is Indira Gandhi. 29. First woman to receive Gyanpith Award is Asha Purna Devi. 30. First woman headmistress in a school is Savitri Bai Phule. 33. First Indian woman mountaineer to scale the 7 continental peaks is Prem Lata Agrawal. 34. First woman amputee to scale Everest is Arunima Sinha. 35. First twins ever to conquer Mount Everest is Tashi and Nancy Malik. 36. First Indian woman scientist selected as fellow in London's Royal Society is Gyandeep Kang. 37. First woman Defence Minister of India full-time is Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman. 38. First woman Finance Minister of India is Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman. 39. First woman Chief Minister of Delhi is Srimati Sushma Swaraj. 40. First visual impaired woman IAS officer is Pranjal Patil. 41. First woman DIG in Indian Coast Guard is Norup Kulshetra. 42. First woman Chief Election Commissioner of India is Srimati V.S. Ramadevi, 26 November 1990 to 11 December 1990 for 15 days. 43. First woman Cabinet Minister of India is Rajkumari Amrit Kaur, post-independence, and she is also become the Cabinet Minister of Health during the first Lok Sabha 1952 to 57. Thank you so much for watching. Like the video, share it and subscribe, and also please click the bell icon for more such videos. Thank you.